Welcome back, guys. So right now this is a new session. Let's talk about user experience. We've done the visual design, we've done the user research when we carried out the wireframes and all that, but right now I want to talk about user experience. The experience is how user feels, how they feel when they use your app or when they use your product. So we're going to talk about how to enhance that experience. So we're going to talk about user experience in this session, and the experience is all about prototyping your product so that user can experience like the demo version of your product. So this is user experience, and it says it is how a person interacts with a product, service, or system and how they feel about it. So it's a broad term that includes a person's perception, emotions, and interactions. So we are going to see the interactions of the products we designed in this course, and we're going to see how ease of use. So we're going to talk about the ease of use. We're going to see the utility, how useful the product is, efficiency, accessibility, credibility, satisfaction. So this is where design comes in, because design is all about you designing a product users would love. And before you actually go to the development stage, design allows you to experience the product before you go to the development stage. So anything you need to correct at the development stage could be corrected during the design, and when it's corrected during the design, it reduces like the ability for you to fail. So it brings more success to your product, and that is what we are doing this for. So we have the user design, which we've designed the visual elements of our products with Figma. Remembered we did all this design from the mobile app to the website, and they are all visual elements. But right now what we want to do is we want to experience what we've designed, and the essence of you experience it is prototype. We're going to talk about prototype. We're going to see how to prototype all these products. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.